I love the idea of having a 4K monitor for video editing, so I built one. So this is our behind the scenes video. So we started with a bunch of parts from Newegg. There's our motherboard, box of parts, the power is already in the case. Don't forget to put in these little spacers. If you don't have the spacers, then the motherboard does not really mount very well. So I found that out the second time. Goes in much better when it has spacers. It's very pretty. The ASRock's Fatality. No. We're putting in the new CPU. It goes down. Yeah. Line up the arrows to the arrows. Well, the black plastic doesn't really conduct heat very well. So you might want to remove that. Pro tip. Yeah, it's better when it's not there. It actually goes in. No worries, it all worked. So there's our processor, the 4790. Here's a little fan that goes on top of it. It's nice it had that thermal paste already on it, so you didn't have to add any more. Just clicks right in there. Like so. Snap, snap. Yep. And just for fun, I don't know if they're good RAM or not, but it's very patriotic. Got some nice blue 16 gigs of RAM. Here's the EVGA GeForce 970 GTX. Installing it, doing a little cable routing, and we're about ready to fire it up for the first time. Oh, we got power! That is not as quiet as before.
It's rubbing against that cable.
Did we cut the cable?
No. Oh, it's working.
Okay.
It's just, it was rubbed, the fan was rubbing against it.
Okay.
Alright, turn your monitor on. Ha! Here we go.
Slick.
Ha!
Proper boot device!
Alright, where's your disk? Actually, I want to go to BIOS, so I'm going to restart it.
We still have nothing on this one.
No, like, just look at your screen over there. Watch. You'll see the boot up page. Fatality! I want to do F2.
So here's the finished setup with the 28-inch Samsung 4K monitor. With the DisplayPort, it can run 60 frames a second. And here's the video that I'm making right now. And look how much more real estate you have. It's quite amazing. This is a 19-inch, like 1440 by 900, just old monitor I had running around. But it's beautiful. It runs fast. And it's quick. Here's some numbers that I ran through Passmark 4548. I assume that's pretty good. And thanks, Lolkster.